Hey YouTube family and friends, in today's video I'm bringing you my second entry into Watermelon Warz. This is my last giant melon for the season, so it's bittersweet. Now because of the cool temperatures, we have been getting into the 50s, 59, 56 in the morning, and that has been killing my plant. So my watermelon still could have been growing, but it is what it is. The stem it was green, but it turned brown. Like I said, we got into the 50s for like the last 3 mornings. So the tendril is brown. I'm gonna go ahead right there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And then we're gonna take it inside and we're gonna see what it weighs. All right, so I wish it weighed more than the other one, but we shall see. Let me put this up. All right, my last giant melon. Well, look, it had a nice bed, so it was nice and comfy. So I think this is gonna beat my last one last year. I don't know if it's gonna beat my first entry. I still got watermelons growing on some of the vines, but that's not going to do anything. So I gotta wait the next year, see if I can get even bigger. So that's what we gonna do. So let's go inside and weigh it. Thank you. All right, so let me put this one down. Let me get my scale, cut my scale on, and wait till it get down to 0. That's at 0. Let me hoist this up. Get my hands off of it. 55 pounds, 1 ounce. All right, so didn't beat my first entry, but 55 beats my entry last year at 46 pounds. So I got 2 melons over 50 pounds. Woo! All right, I'll see you in the next video.